students, now here we taken one example. Given value of theta 0, 5, 10 respectively, and value of that tan theta they have find and given in the second row. So tan of 10, the value it is 0.1763 that they have calculated on the Calc, and they given this data. Now the question is, using Stirling formula, evaluate the value of tan of 16 degree. Now this value we have to find out, tan of 16 degree. Now in the question it is mentioned Stirling formula, so I already written here that Stirling formula is this one. Now if in the question it is not mentioned, then how we define the Stirling or the Bessel's formula, or how to use either central or Newton's forward or Newton's backward, that will understood from the table format. So first, in the solution, difference table is first column theta, and this is tan of theta, respective values of theta that we are substituting here, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and next is 30, 0, tan of 0 is 0, tan of 5, 0.875, Zero 0.3640, 0.4663, 0.5774. Now the procedure is same for defining the difference table for calculation. Now first del r delta square q raised to 4, 5 and so on. Now first value, the next value minus previous value, so the output is 0.0875. Next number minus previous number, so output of this it is 0.0888. I am continuing all these values, 0.0916, 0.0961, 0.1023, next 13, these next number minus previous number, so the output is this one, 0.0028, 0.0045, 0.0062, 0.0088, 0.0015, one more column will perform here. Onward, the table discussion is not required because that values of table we are not considering in the Stirling formula. So first 4 terms we required up to del q. So this is delta, delta square and delta q. So up to this first 4 terms we are taking the values. So we'll stop here. One more extra column that we have discussed here. Now we have to find out value of p equal to, so p, it is x minus x0 upon h. Value of x, tan of 16 minus. Now 16, this value belongs to here. So this is central value 15. It is nearer to this value. So we'll use Stirling or the Bessel's. But the question is for Stirling. So this formula we are implementing. This is x value. Its previous value is nothing but x0. So x0 it become 15 and divided by h. The difference 5. So the value of this p become 0.5. 2. So this is value of P. Now how to use, suppose the Stirling is not mentioned in the formula, either Stirling or the Bessels. So the P value is 0.2. Now this 0.2 is in the interval 1.4 and minus 1.4 and 1.4. So that the better use of Stirling will occur. So if it is not mentioned in the problem, we can define from the value of P that value belongs to this interval, so that Stirling we are using here. Now this is our x0, this become y0. So these are highlighted values. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth term. 2, 3, 4, fourth term. These are the respective values we have to consider. Now this value, I am putting here the notation for this. This is y0. So this become del of y0. Now its previous value is del of y of minus 1. This we required in the second term. Now delta square y of minus 1. So this is delta square y of 0. It is a delta square y of minus 1. So this we got here value. Next, in the delta cube, this is delta cube y of 0, delta cube y of minus 1, delta cube y of minus 2. So in the Stirling formula, what values we required, I will put round to that values, this value. Again, one value, these two values in the delta cube. So these are the values we required in the Stirling formula. Now accordingly we will start substituting. Y0 value 0.2679, value of PED 0.2, del of Y0, delta Y0 0.0961 plus delta y of minus 1 0.0916 divided by 2 into, okay, completed that term, plus P square 0.2 bracket square upon 2 into delta square y of minus 1 0045. Next term P minus P square minus 1 upon 6 into bracket delta cube y of minus 1 y of minus 2. So these two values 0.0017 plus, actually these two values are same, 15, 17, 17, okay, 0.0017 divided by 2 and plus so on. After that we have 0.2679 plus 0.01877 plus 4 times 0, 9 and plus so on, which is equals to 0.28676. So tan of 16 is equals to, so this we calculated tan of 16. Now we can tally this answer on the Calc. So before the starting of this problem, we can initially predict what will be our answer. So tan of 16 on the Calc. So we got here this value by using the Stirling formula. This we can tally by using the Calc. Now in this table, actually only the requirement of values, notation, del y0, del of y of -1, this is the previous. If I want to give notation to this one, this become del of y of 1, del of y of 2. We can increase these notations. This is the delta square y of 1. But these values or notations are not required in the formula. So values we required, we kept in the formula directly. So this is one example by using the Stirling formula. Thank you.